Friends, we are still at the volcano here at the night, enjoying the show. You see behind my back what is happening here. Wonderful. Free volcano show for everybody. You're welcome to come here. It started today just for you, and I'm very close to the lava, as you see. It's 1 o'clock in the night. Can you imagine how late it is? And I'm still here, next to the lava, watching those fires, moss fires, grass fires. My clothes get infiltrated with the smoke from the grass. And here is lava. See my foot? Yeah. Just half a meter from the lava. It appears to be fluid, but it is not fluid, and I can prove it to you. We will take this big rock, huge rock actually. Well, this one. Just a second. Alright, so I took this huge rock. You see, I did this experiment before, and I will throw it on the lava. See how hard it is? It's like stone against stone. Let's put it so. It's a shining stone. It's a shining stone. Though it appears to be fluid. It's moving, but it's still very hard. It's already half hard lava, you know. It's standing slowly into the rock. You know. See, I threw this rock on the top, and the sound was like rock against rock. Let's do the same experiment once again. This time we'll take a bit smaller stone, like this. I see, like this, smaller rock, and we will throw it like next here. Do you hear the sound? Rock against rock. Though it's appears to be fluid, but it's not. It's pretty hard surface, and it's very special to be here. You see how many lava springs we have here. They are coming down from this hill, from this plateau. There is one spring, there is another one there, countless springs, and there's another one more there. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like small tiny rivers running down from the plateau, which is growing up very fast. In 6 hours it grew about the size of 3 humans, about 3 meters, more, about 3-4 meters. Pretty high, just very quick. So you can imagine if this eruption lasts for half a year, how big mountain will be here. Maybe 1,000 meters high volcano will grow up, and we are going to be witnesses to this phenomenon of new birth of a new mountain in Iceland. Very likely eruption will continue here in the same spot, but of course we might have a new fissures, as it was last year, opening in different locations, and this might die and the new fissure might continue. So we don't know what is going to expect. So Amazing rivers here, and it's so nice that you can come so close. You know, you can come extremely close. People would pay a lot of money on La Palma Island. I was there, you know, to come close to the lava, and they were not allowed by police. Exclusion zone. Iceland. Freedom. You can really take a shuffle and start shuffling the lava here if you like, or make some food here on the lava. You see, like me, I'm standing 2 meters away. My shoes, you see. So we invite you to Iceland to come here and witness this unique event. It's a once in a lifetime experience. To see this, it doesn't happen often. Once in a million years in Australia. So it's not sure that you will live that long, but here you still have a chance just to take a plane and make it here to Meradalir Valley, Maris Valley. There are no horses here, but maybe in the past there have been some. But this valley is called Maris Valley, after a female horse, Meradalir. And here we are. It was total surprise to me, this eruption. When I learned that it took place, it's so unexpected. And the location is also very special. We were expecting eruption at Iceland Volcano, which is very close, just behind there. We were expecting that. Everybody was waiting for eruption there. Yeah, the lava erupted somewhere between Iceland and Fagradalsfjall, in the same line. But closer to Fagradalsfjall, of course. We are just 500 meters away from Reykjanes Volcano, which is just behind this mountain over there, pretty close. So I ran out of all my drone batteries. I made fantastic videos, and you'll be able to see them tonight. Unfortunately, there is no internet connection here. It's a very bad internet connection. In Gillingham, this bad day last year, I could upload videos straight from the valley, but from here it's impossible, so you have to get back to the car to start uploading the videos. So I wish you all the best. Good night from the Meradalir Valley, Volcano, Iceland. 2022, 3rd of August. No, it's 4th already. All the best.